The PlayStation 5 Express Enterprises Inc. presents Harriet stops Angel from pulling the fire alarm / Ungrounded. This video was inspired by Miatomo Animations 2022, Dimitri Mikhailov the Disney fan, Surrey the Adult Guy 2K4, Emerald Phantom 2022, Generated Eric 2K8, Harry the Awesome Plotagonist Animator Dude 2K3, Coolboy Animations 2K8, Pablo Animation 2004 the Aubrey Coxon Surrey fan, Aubrey the Colbie Caillat and Kane Brown fan, Chris Weber, and various users.
I am going to pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha.
Hey, Angel, what are you doing near the fire alarm? Are you trying to put the fire alarm? You better tell me the truth, and if you lie, I will be telling on the teacher.
Uh-oh, it's Harriet. It looks like I am screwed big time.
Yeah, that is right, Angel. How dare you try to pull the fire alarm here at the school?
Well, I tried to pull the fire alarm.
You know what? For trying to pull the fire alarm, I will be telling on the teacher.
What?
Harriet, why are you in my classroom? I thought school was already over. Well, Miss Anna, you won't believe what Angel just tried to do. Ugh, not her again. What did she do now? Well, when school was over, I saw Angel try to pull the fire alarm. Wait a minute, she did what? Oh my gosh, I cannot believe Angel tried to pull the fire alarm, and for this, I will call her parents. You can now go home.
When Harriet got home,
Harriet, good job for stopping Angel when she was about to pull the fire alarm at school, and for this, you are ungrounded forever.
You can now do whatever you want.
Yahoo! Thank you, Mom and Dad.
Anytime.